and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lesson music and gear reviews. Today I want to show you 5 easy beginner guitar licks, and that's coming up. If this is your first time here, have a look around the channel. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips, and be sure to click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Let me show you the first guitar lick. Oh, and I've got the tab of all 5 licks. Check the link in the description. When you sign up to my Patreon page, you get that tab and lots of different tabs. So check it out. First lick goes like this. And so what we're doing is we're sliding using our 3rd finger on the 5th fret. We're going to slide to 7. So we're going to pick the 5 and then slide. Then we're going to pick the 5th fret of the D string. And then the 7th fret of the D string, 5 on the G string, and back to the 7 on the D. And the second pick of the 7 on the D, you can give it some vibrato. Shake the string a little, so it's like this. Hey, if you're getting any value out of this lesson, can you click the like button? That helps YouTube promote the video to other guitarists just like yourself. And I thank you now.